Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I appreciate you doing so. If you're new here, my name is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. Designs to look more professional instantly. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple design tricks every creative should know. And you don't need expensive tools or a fancy setup. Trick number 1, composition is everything. Even a great idea can look messy without balance. Use the rule of thirds, white space, and alignment to guide the viewer's eye. Try moving elements slightly until it feels balanced. Small adjustments make a huge difference. Trick number 2, color harmony. Stuck choosing colors? Stick to 2 to 3 main colors plus 1 accent color. Use free tools like colorhunt.co or Adobe Color to generate palettes that actually work. Consistent color palettes make your designs feel intentional. Trick number 3, typography. Pair 1 bold font with 1 simple font. Use size and weight to create hierarchy. And don't forget line spacing. Cramped text kills readability. Even a simple font can look professional with proper spacing and contrast. Trick number 4, organize your layers and files. Name everything, group layers, and use folders. When you need to tweak or export, you'll save hours. Trust me, this is a game changer for productivity. Trick number 5, small details matter. Adding a tiny flourish, shadow, or texture can elevate a design instantly. Don't overdo it. Just a little extra can make your work stand out and feel polished. Try these 5 tricks in your next project and watch your work level up. If you want more creative tips, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below which tip you're going to try first.